This is one of my 50 different favorite cheeses. I'll show you. Le Lavort. That's the name. Fromage de brebis au lait cru. Sheep cheese, raw milk. This is not pasteurized milk. That's where the taste comes from. Now that's a really large chunk of cheese. I've had breakfast, but even if it's a large chunk of cheese, it's okay. I'm allowed that. This is what I derive my energy from. If you haven't seen what I eat and what I'm allowed to eat by my doctor, you can go here and click, and you would know my entire routine of food. This is about I'm not sure, but they say it's about 3 centuries old. I mean, the tradition. And Le Lavort, I've been having this thanks to Brigitte. She's the one who gifted me this cheese, and I've been having this cheese for the past 10 years. It's delicious. Usually I do not have the edges. My mother does, Brigitte does, I do not. Some people like it, some people don't. I do not always like it. Mile has it, but it's absolutely delicious. I'll take care of the edges later. First let me eat. Fantastic. Wow. Wow. This is how France continues to live with me. Yeah, this is my favorite window. And the weather is beautiful, romantic, rainy, but that's not the best weather to ride a motorcycle. So that's a challenge for me today. I have to go out on my motorcycle. I have to go meet my team members. We're going to a coffee shop. Let's see if I can manage it. Used to be one of my favorite coffee shops once upon a time. You know, barista, when they started about 10 years ago, nobody knew about cappuccino or espresso and that. They started, barista and CC, they started the trend of coffee shops in India. Now you have specialty coffee shops everywhere. There's a place where I have a meeting with my teammates once a week in an informal gathering. Players also come to meet us. Man, nice place to hang out. I'm going to order my regular espresso, of course. Surprisingly, this is not a bad coffee shop, it's a good coffee shop, but surprisingly there's nobody here, not even my teammates, waiting for them. Yeah, so today's meeting turned out to be a big fiasco because I was the only person present in that meeting. A reason for it being very simple is that it was absolutely my fault. I was not supposed to be there for the meeting. In fact, the meeting was not supposed to take place. I was the one who missed a mail, and it's my fault. Anyway, let's not talk about it. I'm checking out everything and trying to sort this out. The day is not over yet. I know it's already evening, but it's not over yet. Oh boy, I really need to get my work sorted out. Yeah, I mean at times it does happen that your work goes down and you kind of lose your focus, but yeah, I'll get it sorted. I'm sure I'm going to work things out. I gotta rectify something else right now. Remember when I was traveling in France with a motorcycle and I was shooting, I had a GoPro right here. You can click here to see one of the videos. The mount of the GoPro on my helmet has got damaged while coming back from Bombay, from Paris to Delhi. I have to find a solution to that. Seeing him for 10 years now. He's grown so old. Occasionally he comes and just sits on this third floor flat of mine, and he gets, occasional tidbits like some bones that we don't eat of the mutton and the chicken that we order at home. The GoPro mount doesn't always stick very well, so I always use an extra adhesive quick fix with a Fevikwik. I used it last time. You really don't get the super glue in India, so I'll be using this to fix it. Hope it works. I'll just show it to you in a moment. Yeah, I'm having a change of helmet. I'm moving from my Shark to this a little cheaper empty helmet. And when this helmet will be sitting on my head, it would be something like this. Yeah, I guess that should be it. This is how it would sit. But there's a little issue here, is that, I don't know if you can notice over here, it's a little, kind of pointed, which means it will be a little difficult sticking this onto this because it does not have too much of surface to stick to. But for that I have this solution. Let's hope it works. Yeah, I know I need to get a better helmet than empty helmets, but this will do for the time being. I am on the lookout for a little change on the helmet front. It's exactly the same kind of configuration as you have on the super glue that I used a few days ago in Paris. Yeah, in Paris, while opening the fridge door, the door handle came off, so I had to fix the handle back onto the refrigerator door. I let my hostess know, of course. Which way was it? Yeah. Yeah, no, it is good. Did you see the video in which we took the GoPro for canyoning in France? Oh, what an exciting time we had, going underwater, the 5-meter jump that we did. Check the link over here. This looks good. It remains to be seen how solid this is actually. Before I end this vlog, I have to read this out to you. Thank you. We are blessed with some of the most amazing people, and you are one of them. Thank you for being a part of us. This touching return gift and message was given to me by Sneha and Paul. Remember we went to their birthday? Just click here and you will see the birthday party that was organized splendidly by Sneha for her husband. How I opened this? Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Paul. You guys are awesome. And I feel really loved to be part of you guys and call me over. It's really touching. And I know you did everything made with your own hands. It was a superb evening that I spent with you guys, and it's been so many times. Thank you very much.